Hello everyone, this is Jim with Mark's Leisure Time Marine. Today we're taking a look at Barletta's top-of-the-line Lusso 23 MA. It offers the best of both worlds. The Ultra Lounge meets the Quad Lounge with the all-new Meridian layout with the power arch. This is a must-see for all the folks who want plenty of space for their guests with great features and amenities you're sure to love. The exterior has a clean look with the blackout package. Black diamond and matte black railskins with stainless steel accenting throughout. We added the Mercury Verado V10 pushing out 400 horsepower with hydraulic steering, and with the Tri-Tunes and patented VIP technology, you're guaranteed the smoothest ride in the industry. Surrounding the engine, you have a stainless steel tube-braided tow bar with fender baskets for easy storage and deployment. For a great nighttime cruising, we added exterior lighting both under deck and underwater for great visibility. Paired with the standard LED docking lights, you're ready to take on the night with confidence. Getting into the bow area, you have the stainless steel pop-up cleats. Taking a look inside the pontoon, we have the beautiful Carmela tan interior and Amore tan flooring. The double-stitch vinyl and plush cushions give you a premium feel and custom look. The cutouts along the loungers feature grab handles, Yeti-ready cup holders, and USB ports with a few more cup holders up front. Both bow loungers have armrests for you to relax, and under all the seats you have plenty of storage that's well ventilated. Starboard, you'll find the trash receptacle built in the lounger, nice and tucked away. With the standard Tri-Tune, you get bow anchor storage, a huge center storage locker, and self-draining cooler at the stern. With the powered arch, not only does it complete the luxury look of your Barletta, but it is also rated to pull a wakeboarder with ease. Behind the portside lounger, you'll enjoy a stowaway table when needed. Moving center, you have the most comfortable and functional helm station in the industry, now with a complete redesign. The first thing you'll notice, it's fully digital, enamored in a whiskey glass inspired panel, wrapped in vinyl and RGB lighting. You have the NXS12 by Simrad front and center, replacing the standard gauges paired with an X7 off to the side. Between the two screens, you have access to all your diagnostics, chart plotters, and accessories with digital switching. Just below the 7-inch display, you have full control over your JBL audio system with 6 speakers, a subwoofer, and the amplifier. Turn up the volume for both areas or adjust for only the bow and stern with the zone control. There is also an additional stern stereo remote for when you're hanging out at the sandbar. And of course, off to the side, you have your DTS throttle. The helm is on a raised platform with a marine mat for great visibility over the front chase lounge. Integrated into the helm, you have a storage box, doggy dishes, and another lockable storage location just within reach of the captain. The captain's chair is sporty and comfortable with great contrasting colors and stitching. Now for the Meridian Lounge, you'll love all the possible seating arrangements. It's fully functional to suit your needs out on the water. Lay the bolsters completely flat and lay out in the sun. Flip the bolsters to face forward or aft, whether cruising or anchored out. Gain additional support with these pop-up armrests, and flip up the middle seats to create even more possibilities. Either way you choose, you have a first-class seat to enjoy the views and relax. With more cup holders and USB ports throughout the pontoon, nobody will be fighting for their own space. And a great standard feature on the stern of the pontoon is your lily pad ladder. That's the Lusso 25 MA in a nutshell. Barletta absolutely nailed this design, and we invite you to come see it for yourself. Located in Canisius, let us help you make memories with family and friends for years to come. Thanks for taking the time.